guys, I'm Alex.
And I'm Adrian.
Today we're going to be making some slime. So first I wanted to start off saying that we have our March for Our Lives t-shirts on because we just want to be supportive of that, so.
Plus tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. Okay, so we're going to start off and we're going to have the glue, the Tide, and the tan food coloring. So I'm gonna start off by pouring the glue in. Yep. Let's put a lot of glue in. I'm gonna make a lot of slime. You need to put in the glue faster because it's not working out.
And this is actually faster than the other glue last time.
Okay, I think that's enough glue. Never stops.
That's more that's more glue than
okay, I'm trying to get it to stop, but it's not stopping.
I'm trying to get it to get all the way over.
Now it's kind of dripping.
Guess what? Remember last time when we failed?
Yeah, we did a little slime video before and we failed completely because someone put in too much shaving cream. So
that wasn't me.
It was me because I should have come to my senses and not have put that much shaving cream in.
Yep.
Okay, so now we have our glue. We're gonna stick in our tan food coloring.
This is gonna be tan.
Adrian, help me mix. Yeah, help me mix. Come on.
I wanted it to be blue.
Too bad. Maybe we'll do blue next time. Okay, so now we have our glue and our tan food coloring in here. If you guys want to see our epic fail video slime, I'll put it down in the description so you can go and see how bad I failed at making slime.
100 likes for that, by the way.
Yeah, we need it because our slime making skills have disappeared. Okay, so now we're going to put in the Tide. So if I can just stick my spoon right.
It doesn't work. It keeps going.
Just wait. Okay. Now I'm gonna pour a little bit of Tide into the bowl, so it'll become less sticky.
Tighter.
That's a lot. That's okay.
Let's
No, it's not. Let's start with that.
That is Mrs. Believer.
Okay, come on, Adrian. So let's start with this.
I was gonna call you Miss. Oh, it's becoming rubber.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah,
it's not actually rubber.
It feels harder now.
Yeah, it's supposed to do. Okay. So now just keep mixing it.
Now it's becoming a little bit blue.
Yeah, until your slime starts to become a slime. It is the chain reaction of slime.
Yeah.
Oh no, I got some on my hand.
Why we're not doing fluffy slime is because
we ran out of shaving cream.
Yeah, last time for epic.
We ran out of shaving cream, so we're gonna get some more and we're gonna do a fluffy slime video again later. But for now, we're just gonna do some normal slime, and I think I should put in some more Tide because it's not forming right now.
Don't work it.
Yeah, don't put in a lot of Tide, otherwise it's gonna clump together way too fast, and then it's just gonna like. Oh my god! What was that? What was that noise that I made? It was just like a grunt. It was a grunt, but it wasn't.
My friend's laugh is weird.
What is it like? It's like evil maniac. Adrian, you gotta keep mixing, like.
But it's hard.
You're being a wimpy mixer.
That's like rubber now.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I need to take. It's hard to mix now because
because now
I need another hand.
But once it gets less sticky enough, you can start to mix it with your hands. Okay, we're almost there because not that much got on my hand. So we're almost there. Come on, Adrian. Really put your arm into it.
I'm using my left arm.
Well, then use your right arm.
My right arm is still wet.
Oh, well, then use your left arm.
Okay.
Oh my god. Now it looks like a pinkish brown. Like before it was tan and now it's pink brown.
Yeah.
That's because like the Tide kind of dyed it blue.
Yeah, I dyed it blue.
Okay, I think we need some more Tide.
For example, this was the old thing and this is the new. Oh.
Yeah, Adrian, you still need to mix that up. I'm not giving you some more Tide until you mix that all.
Why? You're so mean.
I know.
It's super mean. Alex.
stop making that obnoxious noise that puts me out of my misery. Take me out. Take me away.
We're gonna need
definitely
need to wash our hands after.
We're almost there. We're almost there. Well, mine is almost there. I don't know about that part of the slime.
Wait.
Yeah, so like you can see.
If this works,
it's not super
if
duper
this
sticky
works,
to my hands.
we might do a bath challenge where we bathe in this slime.
Oh no.
Yes.
I am not looking forward to that.
Alex is doing that. She's doing
Fine. I am not looking forward to that.
Me neither. But we have to do it.
Our tub is gonna be like contaminated with the slime. Okay, so I think it's time. I think it's the moment of truth right now. It's the time where you roll. It's the time where you start to roll up your sleeves. Put your spoons away and stick your hands in.
Oh no, my sleeves.
And this is the part where you really get messy. So Adrian quit the slime. He says that he doesn't know how to mix, and I have to admit that is true. So we are back here, and our slime has kind of fully formed, I would say. It was actually supposed to be dyed tan. Where's the food color? It's right here. This is tan on the front, but it's not actually tan anymore because of the blue essence of the Tide. Made it a dark barf pink. So we still have a great slime. It's so fun to poke. This is like one of the softest slimes I've ever made in my entire life. And trust me, I've made a lot of slime. Okay guys, so I think it's about time we end this video. If you liked it, make sure to like it, like puns, and subscribe to see more. And see you guys next time. Bye.